Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ICT one shot one kill. Right now, the one shot one kill concept, popularized in ICT trading, focuses on taking one high quality trade instead of many random ones. Okay, the idea is simple. Instead of trading unnecessarily too frequently, or in other words, instead of over trading, you wait patiently for a setup that meets all your conditions, then you execute with precision, right? So this approach is built on discipline and patience. Many traders lose money not because they lack knowledge, but because they take too many low quality trades. Now, with this concept, you identify a specific time window, a specific setup, and clear confirmation before entering the trade. For example, a trader might wait for a session overlap, right? I just want to add a trading session indicator, okay? So this is just an example, right? Waiting for a session overlap, maybe between the New York session and the London session. Okay, for example, right? Waiting for a session overlap and then a liquidity sweep, right? A liquidity sweep, for example. You can see here, there was a price rejection here, right? So instead of entering a buy trade around here, waiting for the liquidity around here to be cleared, right? And so this could be a second factor to consider, the overlap, the liquidity sweep, and then maybe a clear market structure shift. For example, we can see from lower highs, lower lows, you have a change of character, and we can see here this was a lower high and a lower low, right? And then here we suddenly had a higher high, right? So that is a market structure shift, right? You wait for everything to align before taking a single trade. So once the trade is taken, the focus is on managing it properly rather than jumping into another setup immediately. This approach reduces emotional trading and improves decision making. So the key takeaway is one planned trade is often better than multiple rushed trades. All right. So one planned trade is often better than multiple rushed trades. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.